It gives me complete goosebumps to be here, but it also makes me feel as not only as an Indian or a Mumbaikar, but also as a human being. That's high time we all stand together and bring this to people's notice, that what is there to gain with the bloodbath that happened. Who gained what? Nobody gained anything except mothers lost their sons and children lost their parents and small children were killed. Is this what is the meaning of life anymore? So this is to bring to awareness to not only us, even to the mass, on a mass level, and you're the media, you're the ones who will carry this message across, that stop this, this is enough, this bloodbath. You know, there's good and bad in everything or anything that you do. Even this much is happening, I think is fantastic. And whether take it world over, whether you say that, you know, in China it happened, or in Korea it happened, or whether it was you know, anyway, I don't want to give political examples here. But yes, there is always a day to commemorate this, or to remember, or to condole, or to, you know, just condole ourselves or the families for something that happened. But as long as I know is that we should be here and are here today, so that people don't forget a massacre like this happened, and to bring to awareness, whether it's our governments or it's our forces or it is the people who are martyred, their family, that we feel safe in our own country. I think this is a very diplomatic, political question. I'm sure China will be more at a stance to answer this. But as a citizen of Mumbai, as a citizen of India, yeah, there is a certain limit where also I feel that एक इंसान ने जो किया, या जो एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी कर रही है, या जो एक कौम कर रही है, तो उसके लिए आप मासूमों को आप सज़ा नहीं दे सकते हो.